How to delete Facebook account permanently. Hello everyone, this is Hazel here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's get started. First of all, go to the Facebook applications. After that, here on the top right of your corner, tap on these three dots, horizontal lines. Scroll down to settings and privacy. After that, tap on settings. Tap on see more in account centers. Go to the personal details. Go to account ownership and control. Here you'll have options of deactivation or deletion. Tap on it. Choose the account which you want to delete. After that, here are two options. Deactivating account, it's a temporarily deactivation of Facebook account, and deleting account, it's a permanent deletion of account. So simply choose on delete account and tap on continue. Again tap on continue. After that, you just have to choose any one of the options to continue. Again tap on continue. And here you can just also transfer a copy of your information if you want, or download any informations. If not, then you can simply tap on continue. After that, the last step is that you have to here give your password and tap on continue to further process your deactivation of account or permanent deletion of account. Here I'm not deleting my account, but you can simply provide here your password and tap on continue, and your account will be deleted permanently. Thanks for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and hit the bell for the updates. That's all for now, and I'll catch you in the next one.